Hey guys, well, it's finally time. I have got the website with the ProTech detail products ready to go, and I have worked hard on this thing, and it gave me some problems. I actually did one website, pretty much finished it, which I've done that before. I used to have a little online business, so I've done websites before. But that one had so many hang-ups, I just went ahead and found a different provider, created a whole nother website. It looks it looks better, and everything worked, or it seems to work better. Although I haven't sold anything on there to see how that works. I think it's all going to be fine. So it's all ready to go, and yeah, so ProTech products. I do want to start having some 3D printed stuff on there. Although Charlie does have a few 3D printed parts, I'm talking about outside of the ProTech line. I wanted to start doing some of that. I've talked with Miguel over at Hobbyworks, and we've sort of worked out a deal where maybe I can print some of his products and some other things that maybe he comes up with for me. So that's going to be really fun. So I have another section there that has nothing in it. You'll see, it's just like coming soon. But I hope the website works out good for you if you do go over there to choose it. All right, so here it is. I wanted to do something special. Number one, if you spend on the site over 50 bucks, you get free shipping. You don't have to pay any shipping for first class or standard shipping. If you want priority or whatever, you'll still be charged for that. But if you spend over $50, you get free shipping. And so what I want to do is, for the very first person who spends 50 bucks, Matthew, you sound like a salesman. Well, I mean, it is a website to sell stuff. So, but the first person that buys $50 worth of merchandise, I'm going to, you might have saw the thumbnail, I'm gonna throw this in there, throw you a brand new, what is this thing? It's a Chevy, so I mean, I could give that away. 65 Chevy step side Revell model kit. That's going to be yours if you're the first $50 purchaser. And also, for the first 10 people, just because I don't have very many, I'll put a model car video sticker in there. There's several different ones. But yeah, so the first 10 orders, whoever gets the truck too will get a sticker. So the first 10 orders, I will throw a sticker in there too. And I'll try to continue to do things like that. Maybe ever so often do another kit giveaway or something like that for some sort of promotion. But I don't know. I'm kind of new to this. I actually have an audience that could potentially buy from me, where before with my other website, I sold electrical components for RC airplanes. And I didn't have an audience, so I had to work really hard to get my website out there, and it cost a lot of money with, you know, Google advertising and things like that. So this is a lot different because I have you guys already. I feel like that it could probably start moving a lot quicker. So it's pretty cool too to be able to talk to the, you know, potential people that would buy from me. So remember that. Not only are you supporting me, you'll be supporting my daughter Ellie. She'll be working hard to fill these orders. To begin with, I'm going to be in there with her doing it to make sure everything is streamlined. But yeah, it's going to be fun, and I hope she enjoys it, and she'll make herself a little paycheck, and that'll be cool. So you guys, I'm thankful that this is going that direction, because it's a way to also help her. But anyway, enough said. For some of you naysayers that probably say, man, he never builds anything, he just has haul videos and talks about a website. Actually, right beside me here, and maybe I'll just barely hold it up so you can barely see it. It looks really awesome, but it's going to be there it was. It's a upcoming build video. I've already made the video, just haven't put it out yet. So anyway, guys, all right, so Matthew, what the heck's the website called? It's called MCV Model Car Videos, mcvproducts.net. And I'll do a really fancy thing like put it right here. And what will probably happen is I'll forget to put it there, and I'll just be pointing at nothing, or that display case right there. So mcvproducts.net is the website. I actually had mcvproducts.com, but it was tied up with that first website that was a total disaster, so I just canceled the whole thing, and I didn't have time to get the domain name rolled over, so I just went with .net. So mcvproducts.net, and that will get you over there. And you can see my handiwork on how I made a website. It's very simplistic. I promise you, you're not going to be impressed. But thank you for all you do, guys. This is so exciting and so fun, and I can't wait to expand it with some 3D printed products. So, first person, 50 bucks, gets free shipping, which you get free shipping anyway if you go to 50 bucks. But you get this truck, okay? So if you order and you're the first guy to do 50 bucks, I'm sending this to you. All right? So, with that said, thank you guys for all you do. Thanks for your support. As always, it ain't gonna change. Go check out hobbynutmodels.com, linked in the description, with my website description in the description, which is really cool now. I'll have to go back and change some stuff, but anyway, yeah, go check out Mark's inventory over there, because he's got everything that I don't. So you go over there, check that out. Thanks to my Patreon members and everybody that supports me in every way that you do. Thanks for all you do. Give it a like if you hadn't already, and we'll see you soon. And yeah.